I'm getting ready to leave her at Daishokan, and I'm doing an urban interpretation of Rose. Ooh, I still need to put on my gem though that my sister got me.
Fuck the coins only lane.
Fucking
Coins only are for
Bink.
I don't know if I'm gonna curse on my channel yet. I'm like, it's gonna be hard not to. There's gonna be a lot of editing. I curse a lot.
Hey, if rappers can do that for the radios, you can do that for your podcast, for your blog.
I'm gonna have my boyfriend do it.
If people complain,
Just write explicit content, you'll be fine.
Oh, before
Trust
that's
me,
a good
I'm a
idea.
doctor.
I'm gonna do it before every video.
That's what we did for
I'm gonna do that now. Explicit content.
I think you're a little late there.
okay, if you do this for 28 miles.
Okay, seriously?
Wee!
Move!
Really?
I think you're on the phone.
We'll be on the phone in a parking spot. Really?
What are we doing?
You're the worst type of Illinois. Why did they have to Illinois hybrid? Making us look bad. Why are we standing in the cold?
Because you are
Waiting on Cody to get out of the...
Because I'm weak. I put on my Kigu, okay? That should be good enough.
This is where you bring pants. Winter.
What are pants? It's so big. That's what she said. It's so big.
It's so much bigger than the picture. Oh, I'm gonna walk in the trash.
Have fun.
This weekend. Whoa! Satanic rituals going on.
Is this the Rainforest Cafe?
It's like, dude, what is the color?
Ooh, short line. Angara.
Alright, Line con.
See, this is why I asked it to be.
Great. I wonder if there are two separate lines for pre-reg.
Pre-reg and reg are actually in the same line right now. Once you get into the registration room, you'll break off into different lanes.
Okay.
The lane should dissipate pretty quickly.
Okay, good. Thank you.
About myself, because I didn't.
Yes, you were all alone.
Because I kept putting it off, and I'm a master of procrastination, but sometimes it does not work to my advantage.
Bye, Dan. This room is so nice. Well, it kind of doesn't open till
Panels.
Hi.
What up? I don't know if panels open until later anyway. Let's just go swimming. I'm gonna hook up the Wii U because who doesn't love
This is, I love this view. Isn't it so beautiful?
That wall.
This is gorgeous.
that one single wall? Fucking beautiful. I love it.
That's the best wall I've ever seen in my life.
Sexiest damn wall ever.
This is our party fridge. Juice boxes and lots of liquor. And this is what I'm gonna have all weekend. This is the first vlog I've ever made. I really enjoyed the convention. And it was hard at first, but I liked editing the video too and kind of rewatching everything. But feel free to like the video and comment below what you think and subscribe for more. It's so big.
It's so much bigger than the picture.